Welcome back to Elevance Consultancy. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: a guide to obtaining a spousal visa for immigration. Obtaining a spousal visa for immigration typically involves a complex process that varies from country to country. I will provide a general guide that can help you understand the basic steps involved, but keep in mind that specific requirements and procedures can differ significantly depending on your home country and the country you intend to immigrate to. It's essential to consult the official website of the immigration authority of the destination country or seek legal advice for the most up-to-date and accurate information. Here are the general steps you might follow. Eligibility and requirements. Check the eligibility criteria for a spousal visa in the destination country. This often includes demonstrating a genuine marital relationship and meeting financial requirements. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documentation, which may include passport and other identification documents, marriage certificate, proof of financial stability or sponsorship, criminal record checks, medical examinations and vaccination records, passport-sized photos, proof of a genuine relationship, example, photos, communications, joint accounts. File the application. Complete the application form provided by the immigration authority of the destination country. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. Pay fees. Pay the required visa application fees. These fees can vary widely based on the destination country and the type of visa. Biometrics and interviews. Some countries may require biometric data, fingerprints, photographs, and/or an interview as part of the application process. Background checks. Undergo background checks, including criminal and security clearances. Sponsorship. If your spouse is sponsoring you, they may need to provide additional documentation to prove their ability to support you financially. Waiting period. Be prepared for a waiting period while your application is processed. This can vary in duration. Decision. You will receive a decision on your application. If approved, you will be issued a spousal visa. Travel and arrival. Once you have the visa, you can travel to the destination country. Be aware of any entry requirements, such as a medical exam or further documentation upon arrival. Conditional residence. In some countries, you might initially receive a conditional residence status. After a specific period, you may need to apply to have the conditions removed to obtain permanent residency. Compliance and renewal. Comply with the immigration laws and regulations of the destination country. Be aware of the visa's expiration date and initiate the renewal process, if necessary. Citizenship. After a specified period of residency, you may become eligible to apply for citizenship in the destination country. Requirements for citizenship also vary widely. Remember that immigration laws and procedures can change, so it's crucial to consult the official website of the immigration authority in the destination country or seek legal advice for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Additionally, consider consulting an immigration attorney to guide you through the process, especially if you encounter any complexities or obstacles. I hope you found these tips helpful on obtaining a spousal visa for immigration. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Elevance Consultancy for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your job search abroad.